I just came across one of the craziest faceless YouTube channels I've seen in a long time. This channel started only 5 months ago, and it's already crossed 65,000 subscribers. That alone is impressive, but here's where it gets even more shocking. In that short time, they've pulled over 2.8 million views from just 28 videos. When you scroll through their channel, you'll notice something unusual. Almost every single upload is hitting hundreds of thousands of views, and their top video has already blown past 1.7 million views. According to vidIQ, this channel is making more than $9,000 a month just from ad revenue. And the wildest part? Every video is fully AI made, and each one takes less than 15 minutes to create. So naturally, the big question is, how are they doing this? The answer is actually pretty smart. They create simple but highly effective videos that help people build focus and stay productive, perfect for students and young adults who want to study better and actually get things done. In this video, I'm going to break down their entire system step by step, from setting up the channel to picking the right video ideas, producing videos fast, and even designing thumbnails. I've also put together a complete Google document with all the prompts, tools, and workflows I used, so you can follow the exact same process. Grab it and build along with me. If you want it right now, like this video and comment "Inspirational Blueprint" and I'll send it to you instantly. All right, let's jump in and start building.
Let me guess. You open your Notes app, you write a massive to-do list, you feel productive for about 5 minutes, and then the day starts. You get distracted, you fall behind. By 9 p.m., you're staring at the same list thinking, why am I like this? Yeah, I used to plan my days exactly like that, and it was secretly ruining my productivity. Today, I'll show you why most day planning fails and the simple system that finally made my days feel calm, focused, and doable.
Now, let's break down how these channels are actually pulling those crazy numbers. And don't worry, I've made the entire process stupidly simple. Everything you need is already done for you. It's all copy-paste, no guesswork. Inside the Google Docs file, I analyze the competitors from top to bottom. Their visuals, channel logo, banner, thumbnails, even the image style they use in their videos. Then I converted all of that into clean JSON and turned it into ready-to-use prompts. You don't need to think, you just paste and go. The link to that Google Docs file is in the description, and if you want it right now, comment "Inspiration Blueprint" and I'll send it to you instantly. The first thing you need is a channel name, and the fastest way to get one is with ChatGPT. Go to the prompt file, copy the channel name prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and within seconds, you'll get a full list of options. Just pick one that feels right. Keep it simple, easy to remember, and clean. I picked this name for my channel, and we're moving forward with it. Once the name is locked in, the next step is creating your channel logo and banner. Head back to the prompt file and copy the logo prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, add your channel name, and hit enter. Then do the same with the banner prompt. When both prompts are ready, open Leonardo AI. Paste the logo prompt, adjust the aspect ratio 1:1, and generate it. Then repeat the same steps for the banner. Paste the banner prompt, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, generate, and download. That's it. In just a few minutes, you now have a channel name, logo, and banner that already match what's working in this niche. Now let's move into video production, because this is where most people mess everything up. About 90% of new creators fail here because they choose random topics. Don't do that. Go back to the prompt file, copy the video idea prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Before you run it, check your competitors' channels. Look for videos pulling hundreds of thousands of views. Copy 5 to 10 of their viral titles. Then paste those titles into ChatGPT along with the video idea prompt. What ChatGPT does next is powerful. It gives you fresh angles based on topics that already proven to work. No guessing, no hoping, just data-backed ideas. Pick one topic and move forward. This is the one I chose for my video. Now that the topic is locked, it's time to create the script, and this is where everything really starts coming together. Head back to the prompt file, copy the scripting prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Drop in your video title and let it generate the full script for you. Once it's done, don't just use it blindly. Read through it and tweak a few lines so it sounds natural and true to you. That personal touch matters more than people think, and it's often the difference between a video that gets 10,000 views and one that crosses 500,000. After the script is ready, the next step is creating image prompts for each scene. Go back to the prompt file again, copy the video image prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then paste your entire script into the designated section. ChatGPT will automatically break it down and generate detailed image prompts for every scene. Copy all of those prompts and save them because you'll be using them in the very next step. Now it's time to generate the images. Open Whisk, paste in your first image prompt, and click Generate. You'll usually get 2 images. Pick the one that looks best. This image will set the visual style for the whole video. Click on that image, paste the second image prompt, and Whisk will automatically match the character and art style, keeping everything consistent from start to finish. Repeat this for all scenes. Once you're done, download everything from the top left corner, extract the zip file, and you'll have all your visuals ready to go. Next is the voiceover. I use 11 Labs for this part. You can choose any voice you like, but I went with Adam because it closely matches the competitor's tone. Pick a voice that fits your channel's vibe. Paste your script into 11 Labs, clean up the formatting, and generate the audio. Listen to it once, fix anything that sounds off, then download the final file. And just like that, your voiceover is ready. Now that everything is ready, it's time to put the video together. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all of your images along with the voiceover file. The first thing you should do is place the voiceover on the timeline. Listen through it carefully and cut out any long pauses or dead space. This small step makes a huge difference because tighter pacing keeps viewers engaged and stops the video from feeling slow. Once the voiceover is clean, start adding your images one by one. Line each image up with what's being said in the voiceover so the visuals always match the message. This is important because when the visuals and narration are in sync, the video feels more professional and easier to watch. After that, add background music. I used a soft piano track, but you can find similar music for free inside YouTube's audio library. Keep the music volume low, around -9 to -12 decibels, so it doesn't overpower the voice. Next, add simple transitions between scenes. I usually stick with fade in and fade out effects. For longer scenes, I use both fade in and fade out, and for shorter ones, just a fade in works fine. Captions are optional here. I didn't use them in this video, but you can add them if you want extra retention. Once everything looks good, go to the top right, click Export, choose 4K resolution, and export your video. At this point, your video is officially done. Now let's finish strong with the thumbnail. Go back to the prompt file and copy the thumbnail concept prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and replace the placeholders with your video title. ChatGPT will generate a thumbnail idea that perfectly matches your video topic. Copy that prompt, head over to Whisk, paste it in, and generate your thumbnail. In just a few minutes, you'll have a high-quality thumbnail based on what's already proven to work in this niche. And look, I know this might feel like a lot at first, especially if you've never tried this niche before. Your first video might take a few hours, and that's normal, but each video gets faster. By the time you reach your 10th video, this whole process becomes automatic. That's how real growth on YouTube happens. It's not about one lucky viral video, it's about building simple systems that scale over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.